have a really cool video planned out for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed as much as I do. It's something I've been wanting to film for a while. Basically, it's gonna be a bit of a combo. That was like the Trump hands, huh? But firstly, let's get some boost rolling in here. I'm telling you. First stop of the day, we are on our way to the grocery store to buy bread. It will soon make sense. Basically, what we're gonna be doing in this video is splitting it up. I like fishing, I like driving. We all like Evos. So we're gonna use the Evo, go to a fishing spot, do some fishing, go for a little cruise. Oh! We almost just, actually, I don't know if you guys saw that. The pillar might be in the way with all these beautiful gauges. Somebody over there in that corner almost just got totaled by this person flying across the intersection who had the right of way. It was this person on that side that was being a bit foolish. First POV video all year, and we already almost witnessed somebody getting totaled. So this is a new kind of video that I'm gonna be trying out. I know it's a very unconventional video for my channel, considering it's been 100% car videos this entire time. I'm getting weird looks by people from wearing a GoPro on my head. Very nice. But I'm just trying it out. Obviously, if the video doesn't get watched, it means you guys don't like it, and I'm not gonna do it again. But in the event, in the off chance, maybe, that you guys do like it, we're gonna make more of them. Yeah, I know, I have Frodo DS2500s. That's why they squeak. I was just walking away, and then I realized, oh my, is that not the most beautiful stance you've ever seen? Bread. Alright, now I gotta think what a carp's like. What kind of bread? There's a carp. Whoa. I like that. $3.59. I mean, can you beat that? I mean, look at how much bread you get. Bread acquired. I have an alpha tailgating me. Look at that in the mirror. Look at that. It's always so cute when people with slower cars than you tailgate you. Sorry, my boy, I don't think you would win that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Actually, there's a person there. Never mind. That is why you check your blind spot. This car is so much fun. Honestly, if you don't have an Evo, I'd strongly recommend buying one. It's just an all-around absolute machine. That's another thing with this car. I have DS2500s and I have two-piece gyro discs. Two-piece rotors don't warp, except when I press on the brakes. Look at my steering wheel. Like you can see, you would think that they're warped. And I've kind of ruled out pad smudging on the rotor. It's just always been like this. So if you guys have any ideas that I haven't thought of, I'd be very interested in hearing them. It's interesting because the harder I press, the more the vibrating goes away, which is super weird. Because usually you would think if the rotors are warped, as you press the brakes harder, the vibration would get worse. All right, you want to see the most useless automotive maneuver? Speeding up just to slow down. I will see you later. Oh my god, it's extra flooded today. All the ripples you see, most of them are fish. I should make this, right? right? Oh, that's deep. Okay, this is getting pretty deep. Oh my God, look at all the fish there. There's little minnows swimming away. Look at all the fish. Look. Look at all these. Look at them right here. Oh, look at that. Big bass. When I say big, he's like this big. Small. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. A lot of bluegill, so we can at least catch those. Look at the turtle. Look at the turtle right there. Look at the turtle. Oh, here we go. A little bite for me. Some bread. Nothing like a little bread. We're gonna see if fish want some bread. I'm here with my Dioa legalis ultralight 6-pound test. I don't know if that means anything to any of you car guys, or just a bunch of car guys going fishing right now. We're just gonna do a classy little, put some bread on there. See what happens. Oh, there's a big bluegill there. Oh my God, look at them. Rushing it. Oh, they like the bread, there's no question about that. Look at this guy. This guy just ate the bear hook. Nothing on it. You know what? Screw the bread. I'm gonna throw nothing. Imagine. Imagine. Can I catch a bluegill off of no bait? Yep. Look at this. No bait. Probably can't see, but there's 2 carp over there. This looks like a submarine. Look at this. Carp there, there. Carp everywhere. Could have sworn I saw a carp under here before. No way, he doesn't want it. He doesn't want it. Stone cold. And the submersible is out of here. Oh, yep. One of them's gonna eat it. Oh my God. Look at this guy. And just like that, there is no bait on this. It's just a bear hook, and he ate it. Fish on, fish on. Oh, fish off. Oh yeah. That's a good one. Look at that. guy is hooked in an unfortunate area, but we got him out. Huge shout out to everybody who made it this far. Thanks so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please actually leave a comment. Let me know if you'd like to see more of this style of video. Otherwise, if you don't like it, also leave a comment. Let me know that you don't want to see more of this. It's fine. I'm not going to take it personally. It was just kind of like an experimentation video to see what, to see if some hobbies of cars and fishing, for example, overlap. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. I had some fun making it. Hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Bit more of a peaceful, relaxing video in a sense. But yeah, once again, leave a comment, subscribe, helps me out a lot, and I'll see you guys in the next video.